Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2215 at Courtyard Penang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the power switch for the room, do not disturb switch for the doorbell, as well as the bathroom light switch and the master light switch for the room. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, we have one wardrobe with your laundry stuff below, in-room slippers, ironing board, bathrobe, hangers, an iron, and a shelf right above. We have a place to put luggage in the middle with a bit of storage below. And we have another wardrobe right here. I believe the in-room safe, yep, it is right here. And you have another drawer below. You obviously have storage right above, together with a torchlight and another shelf right above. Next to the wardrobe area, we have the pantry area. Here we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. And here we just have some drawers to put items in. Right here we have the kettle. And right up here we have glasses, bottles of water, mugs, and all the tea and coffee making stuff. We have a power outlet right there. And a note about the minibar and ice. Opposite the wardrobe slash minibar area, or pantry area if you will, is the entrance to the bathroom. It does come with a sliding door if you want more privacy. And as you enter the bathroom, to the right we have the toilet. I believe that's an extra toilet roll, but we have one right there as well. Handheld bidet, the sanitary bag. We have a hook right there, another hook right there. And there we have the sink in the middle. To the left, we have a box of tissues, a couple of glasses, hair dryers right there. We have towels, another drawer right there, the bin, towels right there, together with, I believe that's a bar of soap. And inside the box, we have the bathroom amenities. There's a huge mirror in the middle. Hello. Shaving mirror right there, with a light switch for the shaving mirror and a power outlet. Here we have a towel together with the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above and a handheld shower right there. To the left of the handheld shower, we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Okay, so further inside the room, we have a surface storage area together with the dual bin setup. So with this, we have the recyclable items to the left and the regular waste to the right. Flat screen Samsung TV. There we have the TV remote with the TV guide, all the hotel's information. You can scan for the room service menu and other hotel information booklets. There we have the table or desk if you will, with a chair, welcome drinks, welcome fruits, and a note from the hotel. We have the bed right there. It is quite a comfortable bed On the right bedside table, we have a drawer together with light switches, a power outlet, and a couple of USB-A ports. Light right above, and there's a light strip behind the headboard. There we have the climate control panel with a power outlet below. On the left bedside table, we have another drawer with writing materials, in-room telephone, the clock, another power outlet, and another 2 USB-A ports, together with more light switches, another light. There is a standing light right there, just behind the sofa area, and a table right there. As for the view, we do get the roads around the hotel, as well as all of the buildings in the distance. Comta is right there. It is quite a nice view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2215 at Courtyard Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.